Hello, and welcome to Kids Fine Art DIY, where you can follow easy, do-it-yourself art lessons and teach your kids drawing and painting. Now, I'd like to introduce you to your beginning art guide, Miss Yaya.
Hi, I'm Miss Yaya. I'm here to show you how to teach kids art on your own. I have been an art teacher over 25 years, teaching students from kindergarten age through college. I have worked in New York City and Los Angeles, and my students have won many national and international art exhibition awards. I recently closed my studio where I have been teaching kids for over 15 years. I miss my students and teaching. So here I am, getting online and then sharing my experience with you. Hope you will find it helpful. Over the years, I have seen parents bring their kids to my studio through all kinds of weather and busy situations. Now I know that's a lot of efforts getting kids to and from any class. Parents have always been amazed by their kids' artwork in my classes. I want you to know that your kids can do the same amazing work with help and guidance from you. And my goal here is to make that possible for you. My lessons here are designed for 4 to 10 years old, which are time-tested based on my years of experience on what works. With my short, easy-to-follow lessons, you will find a step-by-step art structure which can be easily adopted by you and your kids. I hope with my videos, you will find a fun time bonding and sharing the creative process with your kids and growing with them. This is my dog Bubbles. He has always been a helper in my classes, and he will be here with us as well. We hope you enjoy my videos. Questions are welcome. I will be more than happy to help. Thanks for visiting.